Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to connect to bank on Zoho Books. Zoho Books allows you to connect your bank account directly to the platform. This feature helps you automatically fetch bank transaction, categorize expenses, reconcile accounts and save time on manually entry. Most major banks supports direct feeds or the CSF uploads and the process is secure and encrypted. So first open to one of the web browser that you prefer and in the top there's an address bar, type down zoho.com and enter it. And once you get into this interface of your Zoho, in the right hand side we can find the CRM, mail and books. Select to this books under the featured apps. Over here, select to this access Zoho Books. And after accessing banking, and over here, after accessing to the books on the Zoho on the left hand side, we can find this all of this icon. Select to this banking, and under this banking, we can find this connect bank or the credit card. Select to this connect bank. Under this over here, you can select to your PayPal, Bank of America, or other the banks. As I'm going to select to this PayPal, you can select any of the bank as well. And over here, as I'm going to select to this credit card, over here select to this bank account and select yes, configure bank account. Over here, what you need to do is in order to connect to a bank account, simply type down your email and enter to this country of the region and select next. So over here, select to this login. And that is it. This is how I can connect to the bank on Zoho Books. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. If you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.